In this video, we will understand diversity in living organisms. We all know that there are abundant of living organisms present on the earth. Many organisms are not identical to each other. This variety of living beings present on the earth is called as a biodiversity. Biologists have identified and classified more than 1.7 million species of organisms on this earth. Most of these species are found in the tropical regions of the world. There is a separate branch of biology called taxonomy, which identifies names and classifies different organisms present on the earth. Classification. Classification of organisms is a system of arrangement of organisms into different groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities, differences, and relationships. Evolution. Evolution is a slow and continuous process during which early organisms on Earth emerged, adapted, and diversified into various forms. Charles Darwin first described the idea of evolution in 1859 in his book The Origin of Species. Importance of classification. A. It makes the study of wide variety of organisms easy and in systematic manner. B. It helps to understand how the different organisms have evolved with time. C. It forms a base for the study of other biological science like biogeography. Basis of classification. There are certain features or properties used for the classification of living organisms which are known as characteristics. Organisms with same characteristics are placed in same groups. Hierarchy of classification. Linnaeus proposed a classification system by arranging organisms into taxonomic groups at different levels, according to the characteristics they have. The groups or the levels from top to bottom are kingdom, phylum, in animals, division, in plants, class, order, family, genus, species. Classification system. A. To kingdom classification, Carolus Linnaeus in 1758 classified the living organisms into two groups as plants and animals. B. Five kingdom classification, Robert Whittaker in 1959 further classified the organism into five kingdoms as fungi, plantae, animalia, mona, protista. The major characteristics used in classifying the organisms into five kingdoms are the organization inside the cells. Prokaryotic cells with no definite nucleus. Eukaryotic cells with a definite nucleus. The organization of cells in the body. Unicellular single-celled organisms. Multicellular multicell organisms. How organisms obtain their food. Autotrophs produce their food on their own. Heterotrophs depend on other organisms for their food. Level of organization. A. Cellular level. All living things are made up of cells. These are structural and functional unit of life. B. Tissue level. The cells organized to form tissue. A tissue is a group of cells which are similar in structure and perform a specific function. C. Organ level. Many tissues combine to form an organ which performs a particular function. D. Organ system level. Group of organs work together to perform life activities. For example, the organs of digestive system work together to digest food. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.